I'm Brenda. Welcome back to my quilt room. Today I have a quick little project that I want to show you how to make. You can take this to somebody's house and leave it as a gift if you're going to a holiday party this year, and you could whip up a whole bunch of these really quick. Now, I'm just going to use scraps. I made this project and this is what it is. They're just little pot holder or hot pads. And I made a whole bunch of these a couple years ago for the people in my family. And on this side, I just did some little simple 9-patch patchwork. And mostly I used just scraps out of my scrap pile. What you're going to need to make this is a product called Bright. And this is what it looks like. It's like batting that has an aluminum type foil in the middle. Now, when you use this product, you cannot use these in the microwave. They're not made for that, but they will retain hot or cold temperatures. And you can get this in a package. This one was about a yard. It's 45 inches by a yard. And it's a wonderful product to make little quick projects like this. And what you'll need is what I'm going to show you today. These are 8.5-inch squares. So this was some fabric that I had left over, and you will need 6 of whatever size square you decide to make yours. And this is how you're going to layer your 6 pieces of fabric up. This piece, which will be on the back, and you want to put it really won't matter. It's not going to be seen at all if you put it pretty side down. And then you want to layer next your Bright. And then another piece of fabric that will show. Now these are my other 4 8.5-inch squares, and I have ironed them in half lengthwise. You're going to layer these on top, always with your folded edge toward the inside. So you'll put the first one down, and then put the second one down on top of that one, the third one, and then when you get to the last one, you're going to lay it across and lift up the first one that you put down and lay it across the bottom and fold this one back over the top. You'll need some pins to hold your pot holder in place, because there's quite a few layers here that you're going to have to sew through. So you want to make sure that you have a very heavy denim jean needle in your sewing machine to stitch through all the layers. And once you have it pinned down, you will go to the sewing machine and you're going to stitch 1/4 inch away all the way around the outside edge. And when you're finished, it will look like this. Now I've taken the scissors and I have clipped out the corners, all 4 corners. And I've just stitched 1/4 inch all the way around. And this opening is how you're going to turn your pot holder inside out. So you're just going to reach inside and turn it inside out. You might need a little skewer stick or something that you like to use to poke out your corners and to get them nice and pointy. And just continue to turn it inside out. And one more. And then we'll smooth it out. I didn't bring my stick over here with me, so we'll just do the best we can. And just keep pushing. And there. And this is how it will come out. Now, if you want to, you can stitch around and do some extra quilting on this to hold it further in place. But it's pretty much that, it's finished and ready to go. Now this one is solid on the back. This one I made just a little scrappy 9 patch, and it only takes a few minutes once you cut out your fabric, fold it over, layer them up, and stitch it and then pop it inside out. And wouldn't it be nice to take something with you somewhere and you can give them the little Hotpad or pot holder. We all need pot holders. They tend to get very dirty in the kitchen, especially this time of year if you're doing a lot of holiday baking. So I just wanted to share that fast, easy, quick little project with you. I know we're all getting ready for the big day, for Christmas Day, and I want to take a moment and wish everybody a Merry Christmas and hope that you have a blessed and happy New Year. And until 2022, from Brenda's Quilt Room, we'll see you next year.